Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to replace the cabin filter on Honda Jazz. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box, so we need to open the glove box and then remove one of the compartments of the glove box, and we'll see the cabin filter behind it. So this is the compartment of the glove box that we need to pull out, and there is the cabin filter just there. We need to remove this cabin filter cover and then change the cabin filter. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we put on the new cabin filter and assemble everything back in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.